Hi, I'm Dee from Dee Lovely Life and welcome to my channel. Today I am joining the Let's Organize Challenge of fall of 2018 hosted by Corinna from Life's Little Things. I will post her channel down below. If you follow my channel, you know I have been decluttering my home and especially this home office of mine. So I am really happy to actually start. It's like perfect timing, totally meant to be, Corinna. So let's go ahead and let's organize my desk and my area behind me. Finally. So let's get started. I'm slowly getting back into using my home office. I seriously need to reorganize my desk in order to create and be productive. That's including my wall space above my desk. I would like to have more current objects that keep it positive and encouraging. I recently decluttered this top left drawer, which is okay. But this one right here, I've never finished. And as you can see, it's like this, like a tornado hit it. Nothing, I can't find anything in there. And I really need to get to this one. Hubby has his tools here that he had left. I don't know what he's gonna fix, but I have just things lying around here and I'm trying to work for the first time up here and I just can't work because nothing is just organized. And I have pins here in this little cup. I don't like it. I have 2 pairs of reading glasses because I keep forgetting to bring one upstairs. I have change. I don't know why I have change. I have a pretty glass container, no theme, and yes, that's a 10 key. I love using that thing. But again, I just need to organize this space so that I can work. To begin, I decided I'm just gonna clear off my desk, just take everything off, kind of group them together with like items, things that need to be taken elsewhere or relocated, things I want to get rid of, trash. You know the drill. Oopsie, embarrassing. I guess I'm gonna have to fire the cleaning lady. I am the cleaning lady. Yeah, it's been a while. Much better, much better. Now onto the board. This is the board that I normally stare at when I'm just in thought in front of my computer lately. And I've been noticing that a lot of this stuff is so outdated and I just really want to have a different look. And I don't really want to go out and buy anything new. I just want to use what I have for now until I can figure out what I need later. It feels great to organize my boards here finally. It doesn't look good, but I found some things to print out from the computer. I reorganized my top left drawer here and I figured this would be perfect to house my microphone that I use for editing my YouTube videos, along with our checking account stuff, you know, things that just don't need to be out. So much better, huh? I have my labelers, staplers, staples, post-it notes. I have the most used pens that I enjoy using, extra pencils, letter opener, and look at that. I actually have a spot to house another pair of my reading glasses. I now have a designated spot for all incoming mail, as well as my action folder on the top. Second shelf down, I have a spot for all of my extra notepads, and lastly, my weekly planner. Fits perfectly underneath that. I'm pretty happy with how it turned out for now. I can now focus on the tasks to be completed on my desk for once. Please check out the playlist below for the challenge, and I will see you on the next one.